What's up, y'all, and thanks for tuning in. So, if you are not subscribed, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you are notified each time I post a video. So, today I'm going to be making stuffed mushrooms. Now, I remember telling y'all in the California vlog that I like to watch the Food Network channel. So, there used to be a show that came on called the Neelys, and that's where I got this recipe from. So, I've made this recipe at several family functions, and it's always a big hit. I made these mushrooms on Thanksgiving, which was just a few weeks ago, and I'm not gonna lie, it didn't come out as good as it usually does. So I had to do it correct for y'all. So I'm gonna remake those today. So if you would like to see how to make these mushrooms and how they come out, then please keep watching. Hey y'all, so you didn't miss much, but I did not realize that the camera was not recording. So you did miss me adding the oil, the turkey sausage, and the mushroom stems. But here it's pretty much already cooked, the meat. I'm just breaking it up into smaller pieces with a spatula. Y'all, this recipe is a must.